Hi everybody, and welcome back to another tutorial of crocheting. In this tutorial we're going to see another edging. In this tutorial we're going to see how to edge our tissue or blanket. We're going to see the spike edging or blanket stitch edging. So we usually work on multiples. In this stitch there are no multiples. It's up to you to calculate the multiples. Any multiple of any number of stitches could go well. Space them to suit the number of stitches you have in the row or in the round. For this tutorial I've made a swatch of a few rows of half double crochet, and I've changed the color of the yarn. Now I'm going to make, and in this swatch I work on multiples of 4 plus 3. So I'm going to make one single crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. And then I'm going to insert the hook 2 rows below and make a single crochet. You can make shorter or longer the spike stitch, the blanket stitch. It's up to you. Then one single crochet in each one of the 3 next stitches, and that's the main stitch, spike stitch or blanket stitch. And then I'm going to repeat again the blanket stitch or spike stitch. I insert the hook 2 rows below and I make a single crochet stitch, and again one single crochet in each one of the next 3 stitches, and again 2 rows below and I make a single crochet, and again a single crochet stitch in each one of the next 3 stitches, and again the spike, the blanket stitch, a single crochet 2 rows below, and I'm going to finish my row, my work, as I've began, 3 single crochets in the last 3 stitches, and that's the blanket stitch or spike stitch. You can see it better here. Thanks for being with me. Till next time. Bye bye.